We've just acquired this Ford Kuga 2 litre diesel. It's a Titanium X, top of the range, automatic. It's in absolutely superb condition throughout. It's got a nice sport body styling kit all the way around it. It's got rear park distance control, twin exhausts, privacy glass from the B post to the rear, electric tailgate, it's all in lovely condition inside the boot, electric tailgate, full leather interior, a tilt side panoramic roof, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats, heated seats. Car's done 80,214 miles. It's got factory fitted satellite navigation. It's got reverse park distance control and camera. Full media pack, DAB, map for this navigation, climate control, a few little other buttons here, cruise control, heated seats, don't know whether I said that, AUX and USB, a DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.